Before you buy these storage bins, you need to double check your cart. Hey everyone, I'm Tessa, and I want to thank the company for sending me these storage bins for my honest review, so let's dive in. So buyers are complaining that they can only fit 2 sweaters inside of these storage bins, but I was gifted with the 100-liter storage bins, so we're gonna see just how much we can fit inside. Pretty sure it's gonna be more than 2 sweaters. I'm gonna show you how to assemble it. If you see, like here, this is the front of it where you can see through, and right here is the top. So just unzip it, open it up. Once you open it up from the top, you just slide the metal frame into place like so. Check out this pile of clothes and sheets and blankets. What do you think? Can I get them all to fit in these storage bins? Time will tell. So you saw that pile of sheets and blankets and clothing that I had, and all of that went into 2 of these storage bins. 2. I still have a whole other one here that I can use. Overall, I think that these are fantastic. They've got some great handles here. It's easy to pick up. They are stackable. I think they're great. I'm really grateful for these, and I highly recommend them.